This is from my father who wanted a YouTube video.
Of snow?
Yes, of snow.
You guys don't have snow?
It actually snowed there like 2 weeks ago. I don't know why he wants to see a YouTube video of it. I think he wants to see the quality of the camera.
But you're seeing it through a window. Which doesn't really help.
Remember all that work they spent clearing the sidewalk and their porches? That was stupid of them. There's the car.
Hey, the bottle's still on the twig.
There is the snowman.
All our footsteps out there. Disturbing the snow.
And the neighbor left. Probably go to his drug deal. Hope the neighbor does not watch this video. There's the blowing snow. Now they're trying to dig that car out over there.
Oh, jeez. Considering that guy's been parked there since before it started snowing.
It's currently 6:20 p.m. We are supposed to get 4 more inches tonight. We already have
someone driving.
Oh, we already have 12 inches on the ground.
With a foot of snow on his roof.
Come on, crash so I can get some documentation of snow-related accidents. Ow.
Does that count as a snow-related accident?
There's Jennifer's car. She cleaned it off. It's already covered in about 4 inches of snow. There's the tree. There's the house across the street.
The power line's all shaking. Another person driving. In an old car. Just hit the gas pedal. And someone walking down the street.
Where's everybody going?
I don't know.
Is there some kind of a snow-related party tonight? Uh-oh.
In this kind of wind? That you can see blowing past?
He looks like he's about to go kill somebody. Like the guy in Home Alone. The guy with the shovel.
He's gonna go out and smack someone in the head. Yeah, someone's got the headlights on.
Well, it's dark.
Okay, the garbage can is like buried in their yard. Oh, I was looking at someone's pictures. They made a snow penguin.
How do you manage that?
Hmm?
How did they manage that?
It was laying down. Didn't say you had to stand it up. You just give it a more ovular-shaped body.
I have an idea what we should go do.
What?
We should go take a box and make a snow fort. Like fill it, you know, like how you do with sand at the beach, make sand castles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, we're about to
So you want to make a snow castle?
We're about to hit 5 minutes. We can make an igloo. So I'm about to cut this off. I hope this video is sufficient, since you wanted one so badly. It's very boring though. So that's it. Bye.